Welcome to Handmade Happy Hour. I'm Kathy Fillion, and today I'm going to show you how you can do photo transfer onto a canvas bag. Now, I'm featuring photos of all of our meet and greets with Hello Kitty at Universal Studios. This is a fun way to make a customized gift. You're going to start by making laser color copies of your photos. If you have words in your image, you're going to want to do a mirror image or flip it so that they are reading the right way. Then you're going to use Mod Podge Photo Transfer. This is a special photo transfer formula. So I did a circle shape, but you could certainly do any shape that you want. So go ahead and cut out your laser copy. And I'm going to do this onto a canvas tote bag. First, lay out your design. Then we're going to grab some wax paper. So go ahead and figure out your placement and make sure that your image is going in the direction that you want it. So go ahead and add some Mod Podge Photo Transfer to the printed portion. And then I like to smooth out my brush strokes. I like doing this on the wax paper because it's easy to peel up. And you want to make sure that you're barely touching the edges. You want to make sure that the photo transfer does not transfer to your fingers too much. Then go ahead and place it in position. And then you're going to smooth with your fingers, making sure that those edges are really secure. If you get any of the photo transfer that leaks over, make sure you wipe it clean while it's wet. And then you'll just continue your design process until the whole bag is covered. And you're gonna dry for 24 hours, very important. Once it's dry, you're gonna take a damp sponge. You don't want it to be too saturated. And you're going to start removing the paper by getting the paper damp. And then you're going to start to remove it by swirling the sponge over the image in a circular motion. And you can start to see the paper will start to peel away. I'm not pressing too hard. And you're going to repeat this process probably 3 times. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's dry. Make sure you get those edges really good. And you're going to continue doing this until the first layer of paper is completely off all of the images. This is after the first pass. And now I'm going to wait about 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. The paper will come back. So we're going to repeat this process. And you can see there's a little bit of paper still there. For this bag, I had to do the sponging and removing of the paper 3 times before I got a clear image. Depending upon how much water you use and how much you press, it might take even 4 times. Just be patient and don't rub too hard. And now you can see here I have a finished bag. This is after 3 times. This bag is hand washable and cold. I just love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions.